Police on 3 men after CCTV captures pump attendant shooting on Deanery Road. Police are urging 3 men believed to be involved in the shooting of a pump attendant along Deanery Road in Kingston on Wednesday to surrender immediately to investigators at the Hunts Bay police station. The appeal follows the circulation of CCTV footage that investigators say captured the violent incident, which has intensified efforts to identify and apprehend those responsible. Authorities believe the footage will play a critical role in the ongoing investigation. According to investigators, the 3 men are not only being sought in connection with the shooting, but are also suspected of involvement in a series of robberies across the corporate area. While police have not yet released the identities of the suspects or disclosed the full circumstances surrounding the attack, detectives believe the incident may form part of a broader pattern of violent criminal activity. Investigators are reviewing CCTV footage, interviewing witnesses, and pursuing additional forensic and intelligence leads as they work to establish the movements of the suspects before and after the shooting. The shooting has once again highlighted concerns about violent crime targeting businesses and service stations, where employees often handle cash and work late hours. Security experts have long warned that petrol stations can become attractive targets for armed criminals because of their extended operating hours and the steady flow of customers. The latest incident has renewed calls for enhanced security measures, including improved surveillance systems, increased police patrols in commercial zones, and greater cooperation between businesses and law enforcement. Police are appealing directly to the 3 men to turn themselves in at the Hunts Bay police station without delay. They are also asking members of the public who recognize the individuals seen in the CCTV footage or who have information that could assist in the investigation to contact the Hunts Bay Police Crime Stop at 311 or the nearest police station. Investigators stress that all information will be treated confidentially and say public cooperation remains essential to bringing those responsible before the courts. At this stage of the investigation, no arrests have been announced and the suspects have not been formally charged. As with any criminal investigation, they are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law. Police say further updates will be provided as the investigation progresses. Subscribe today, turn on notifications, and never miss the stories that matter most. Jamaica News Now. Your Highlands, your news, right now.